So as you already know, we have finished the lesson. Now today we are going to learn an interesting term, okay? Non-fiction. Non-fiction can be a book, article or text about real facts, people and events. Lumos is a non-fictional text. So non-fiction means real, which is something real. Fiction means which is not real. Okay? And non-fiction means it can be a book, or it can be an article, or it can be a text about real facts. Real people and real events. Okay? Lumos, it's non-fiction. It's real. It exists in the world. Okay? And it's real. List 5 more books or articles. So list 5 more. Nelson Mandela is a work. It's a non-fiction. It's a book. My Experiments with Truth. It's a non-fiction written by Mahatma Gandhi himself. I Am Malala. It's also a non-fiction. Hiroshima. It's also a non-fiction work. Origin of Species. It's also a non-fiction work. So read these sentences. We all have individual needs. Everyone needs love and care. In the sentences above, the highlighted words are called phrases. I hope in this class 4th you might have learned, or you may have learned this, what is a phrase. Okay, in the sentence above, the highlighted words are called phrases. शायद आपने लास्ट क्लास में ये phrases term जो है वो सुनी होगी, so you may have learned. In the sentences above, the highlighted words are called phrases. For example, individual needs, love and care. A phrase is a group of words that makes partial sense. It doesn't make complete. It is a group of words, but it makes partial sense. Okay. High over his head, at the sight, and free for flight are some examples of phrases. So these are the examples of phrases. Underline the phrases in these sentences. It rarely snows during winter here. So during winter here is a phrase. Shaurya likes to watch horror movies. So horror movies is a phrase which gives partial sense. Okay. My grandmother likes to drink coffee. My grandmother is a phrase. It makes partial sense. It doesn't make complete sense. Okay. You have an awesome set of sketch pens. Set of sketch pens is a phrase. Stanley does not like to play at my place. At my place is a phrase. Okay, it doesn't give complete sense. It gives a partial sense. Elders deserve our respect and care. Respect and care is a phrase, and it gives partial sense. Monkeys were dangling from the branches. Dangling from the branches in this sentence, from the branches is a phrase, and it gives incomplete sense. Okay, we will stop here, and tomorrow we will continue this again, and tomorrow I will tell you more about phrases, what is a phrase and what are the properties of phrase. Tomorrow I will tell you about this, and tomorrow we will study further about this. We will talk about this part C1, and we will talk more about phrases, what are the properties of phrases. Till then, stay at home, stay safe, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.